Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a fun and easy little mirror wall decor that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, we have the large round mirrors from the Dollar Tree. We'll be using this. And we have the gems. These size gems you get at Walmart or Michael's. So I'll be using these gems here. And we have the silver plastic forks from the Dollar Tree. And we have the silver plastic picks from the Dollar Tree also that we'll be using. And we have the acrylic paint here in white. You can also use spray paint too, but I'll be using the acrylic paint today. And we have our tools and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, so I painted the frame white with the white acrylic paint, which I would recommend you spray paint it because it took too much coats to cover the black of the frame with this white acrylic paint here. Yeah, so I would rather recommend that you spray paint it if you can. It would be much better. Anyways, these are the forks and the picks that we'll be using and the gems. Now we're just going to break the forks like this. And the picks, we're going to break them right here. So you'll have the piece like this. This is what we're going to use. And we're going to add our gems. Alright, so you're just going to take the fork and we're going to put the gem on the bottom part of the forks. And I just need you to keep your eyes on me. I just want to tell you that you're my perfect. And the same thing with the picks. We're going to take the gems and just place them on the outer part of the picks and then glue them down to our frame. Alright everyone, I just took a bunch of the picks and the and glued everything down together with the gems so it'll be much easier. So now we're just going to place them going all the way around our frame. Now we're going to add our mirror back to the frame, and this I would also recommend you add the mirror before you start adding the picks. I should have done that because it's hard to get it back in with the picks sticking out. Yeah, so remember, if you're going to do this, right after you spray paint it, add back your mirror, just cover the face of the mirror and add your picks. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. It's a fun and cute little wall decor. I had fun doing it, and I hope you had fun watching me do it too. I think it looks really cute with the forks and stuff sticking out. It looks very nice. Oh no, oh no, we gon' stop by saying that you got me, girl, you know so, you know I'm proud of you. We can take it far, this could be so awesome. We're so high on love, I never touched the bottom. Girl, I just need you to stay true to me. Stay true now, stay true. I just need you to keep your eyes on me. Yeah, I just wanna tell you that you're my. And here we go. This is how it looks on the wall. All blingy and nice. Alright everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye everyone. Anytime you need me, you know them 7 digits, baby. Just ring out me, Sally, baby. And you know I'll be right.